Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to this brand new video. And in this video, we'll learn about how do we actually create a file, a program to demonstrate the Tower of Hanoi. Painful shit. I'll tell you how to write a code, each and every line. Let's, let's save it as TOH, TOH2. Anyways, so let's start with name, program show Tower of Hanoi. Anyways, spelling is correct, I guess. First will be hash include stdio.h. Second will be the second would be you thinking that something and something, but no, it's simply tower of Hanoi. Yeah, we use int as argument, char as argument, char as again argument, parameter, and char as parameter again. This is how we enter TOH part. Now we'll say int, and this time we'll just set count, and count will be set to 0. This will basically count number of moves to accomplish the movement of the disk from the source to the destination. Anyways, so let's move forward with this, and let's set our main function. Inside this, we'll just set int n. Okay, int n. Okay, and then we'll say char, and char as first would be source, right? Source, and for the number of disk. Okay, above one is number of disk. Just write it. Number of disks. Okay. Char sourc source is equals to s नाम देते हैं, comma, and let's say temp is equals to t, and d is equals to dest is equal to d. So this is what it is. So yeah, just got it. So is that clear? Okay, so let's take input from the users, like enter the number of disks. Scanf, and here percentage d, comma, and person n. Okay, here we declared it. Now let's save it. Since it has been declared, let's invoke the Tower of Hanoi function with variables. First will be n, second would be source, third would be temp, fourth would be dest. Oh, don't forget to write okay, so yeah, dest. चलो ठीक है, यहाँ तक टावर ऑफ नो temp source ठीक हो गया. Now we'll write printf. We need to use the count variable. Okay, so the moves, total moves, percentage d, comma, n%. so यहाँ पे तुमको क्या चाहिए, काउंट. चल ठीक है, ठीक है, काउंट बाउंड लिख दिया, सब सही है, सब सही है. थोड़ा सा स्पेस दे दो. व्हाट इफ we don't know some variables are still there which we have not written. Now again TOH go. Now we'll work on the Tower of Hanoi main function. Here we'll say int n char source char char dest. Hopefully no mistakes. We'll move forward, and herein we'll say if n is greater than 0, that is, if the number of desks are more than 0, in that case, we have to perform this function, and this function goes like TOH dot of Hanoi n minus 1. That is, there are n elements on the source, n minus 7 elements, that is, all, how do I say, all the elements except 1. Anyways, so we'll write source, S-O-U-R-C, source. From source to destination we need to move through temp. Okay, using temp or through temp. Now we'll write printf function to actually show a step how to like how we'll actually move. So we'll say move the disk percentage n, percentage d n क्या होता है, percentage c percentage c, comma, here for d we have used n, and here is source, and as I told you, another word is dest. So it should do the work, right? It should do the work. And here we need to increase the count, okay, count variable. Just once we have executed. Another would be TOH, again we need to execute it, but this time again with the n minus 1 element, from this time temporary place to the source, temporary to the destination, or like once you move there, again you need to move it to the destination only, right? Can't go around here and there. I don't know, I'm talking shit. I know I have no better explanation. I really need to get like drink the pain to actually understand this, but right now I don't think I have time that much. Temp, dest, and from source, SOURC, source, through source, and it is pretty much it. Let's run 5 errors. So here it says should return a value. So let's say return 0. Okay, let's fix it. Missing calling function. How? Yeah, here is a mistake. You need to use comma. Another mistake. Where? So where, man? I don't think there is a mistake. Yeah, there we need 2 curly braces. One for the tower of one for the if block, and other for the tower of Hanoi function. So enter the number of disks. So 3. What is the output? Oh, it's all jumbled. So let's like exit this, and so here you backslash n quotes ये n, ठीक है? Let's okay. क्या आ गया मिस्टेक भाई? अबे यार ये क्या हो गया? जो भी okay, yes, it should work. The first what percentage d for n source, no, source to dest, number of disks 1. Let's see, move, total moves 170. क्या भाई? Anyways, since conio.h भी use नहीं किए हैं, so we should use conio.h here. Let's use it. Hash include conio, and here we'll use get ch. Where should we use get ch? CLR SCR, CLR SCR, SCR, right? SCR. CLR SCR. Okay, maybe this is not the right place to mention CLR SCR. Should use it inside a function. Let's use it here. CLR SCR, CLR SCR. Fucked up. So what is this? Declaration is not allowed here. What is not allowed here? Okay, so we need to mention it even after that declaration thing. CLR, SCR. Okay, enter the number of disks. So we'll say 2. It got out. So we need to and mention get ch as well. Should be outer of the function. Yes. Okay, so we'll write 3. Why is it suffocatingly printing the outputs? Man. I don't know. Okay, anyways, the output is coming, but it's not coming expected. So let's save it, F2 for saving it, TOH2. Let's go here, let's go recent files, TOH, file location, TOH2. Open with notepad. Let's copy this code. Let's come to online places like anywhere, like where you can like this, reset this, and here type this code and try to run it. So we get a conio.h wala thing error, which you don't need it right now. So let's clear screen shit. Let's clear that shit out. And even the get ch shit, it will pop up some error. What the fuck, get ch shouldn't have worked. But okay, enter the number of disks 3. So it is working here. Total number of moves, it is getting fucked. So count is, I guess, not working properly. Let's run again. What if it starts working properly? So it's just 2. So it is just not getting the correct output. So yeah, printf may you have used n%, that's why it's giving some error. 3 7. So it's working. Let's go back to our code here. Let's fix the code. Even here you need to use, always remember, check for the and if you use at a wrong place, like in our case we use the wrong place in a wrong place. There is and count in the printer statement, you can't use and. See how you want to count. Let's run it for 3. Yes. Oh man, I forget again. So you got my point, right? It's working. It's not working in this, but it's working outside. But look, it should work. So even though, let's try to optimize this, like not optimize, basically fix it. So fix the code. Fix the code. Urang शरबतों का मैं मीठ गाट का पानी Urang शरबतों का मैं मीठ गाट का पानी Back all that to. I'll remove. I want to remove this int from here. I want to remove void from top. Void from top. I don't like these words, you know. So that's why it should be written anything. Um, that's all. That's all. That's all. नहीं भाई क्यों जाएगा जिम क्यों नहीं हो रही है पढ़ाई क्यों नहीं हो रही है पढ़ाई नहीं पे नहीं पे भाई पागल हो गया नहीं भाई ठीक है उठाएगा तो जाऊंगा ही अब तू बोल रहा है तो बोले तो चले जाएंगे अब रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं तो मतलब पूरा बदन टूट गया है दर्द से क्या ये क्या ये क्या था ये क्या था प्रभु सो क्यू एच डॉट सी है ये सीपीपी नहीं है ना सोर्स ये क्या समोन कर रहा है कोई बात डॉट्स डॉट लिख रहा है डॉट 2 डॉट सीपीपी डॉट सी ना yeah. Let's try to run it. Let's try 3. Let's see. Oh, it's working. Where's the error at last time? Oh, it's the error last time. What could be the error? क्या error होगा बे सोच तो क्या error है बे वो सब तो सेम लिखे हैं So whatever it is, it's shit, fuck. Anyways, so this is what about the video. I'll catch you later. Out of Hanoi.